Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add auto pitch to your tracks in Bandlab. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Bandlab application if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this page where you need to go ahead and log into your account. So guys, go ahead and log into your account if you do not already have one. Just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the homepage of Bandlab, where you can see all the trending videos, you can see the posts by other users, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to use auto pitch for our tracks. The first thing you want to do is click the plus button right here in the middle of the page at the bottom part of the screen, and this is going to open up this new menu where we can get started with either importing new files, or we can add voice and audio, and so on. So let's go ahead and open up the track where we want to go ahead and use auto pitch. I'm going to open up this track I already have right here, and after opening it up, we will be greeted by this page right here, which is the studio, where we can go ahead and manage our track. We can add new effects, we can go ahead and mess with it, do whatever we want. And basically guys, if we want to use auto pitch with our voice, this is what we have to do. Basically just click the FX button right here under the name of your track, click FX, and this is now going to open up this new FX page where you can see at the bottom part of the screen at the right corner, you can see the auto pitch option. So after clicking auto pitch, this is now going to go ahead and enable us to use our auto pitch the way we want. We have the classic, big harmony, duet, and so on. You can select the one you want to use and go ahead and get started with editing it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.